What if I told you that there is a platform claiming to give you access to multiple Grok AI capabilities, including advanced reasoning, image generation, video generation, voice conversations, real-time information, and content creation, all from one dashboard? And here's the part that immediately caught my attention. The website is currently promoting GrokMAX 4.5 with a one-time payment offer, instead of the recurring subscription model that many AI platforms use. But is this actually a revolutionary AI deal? Or is this just another aggressively marketed AI wrapper that sounds much better on the sales page than it does in real-world use? That's exactly what we're going to find out in today's video. I'm going to break down what GrokMAX 4.5 claims to offer, the features, how the workflow is supposed to work, who this platform is actually for, the potential advantages, the things you need to be careful about, and finally, whether I think it's worth considering. So if you're thinking about getting GrokMAX 4.5, watch this entire review before you buy. Let's get started. So first of all, what exactly is GrokMAX 4.5? According to the website, GrokMAX 4.5 is positioned as an all-in-one platform designed to bring multiple Grok-related AI capabilities into a single dashboard. The sales page claims that users can access capabilities including Grok 4, Grok 4 Heavy, Grok 3, Grok Imagine, Grok Video, and Grok Voice from one interface. The idea is pretty simple. Instead of jumping between different AI tools for writing, research, images, video and voice, GrokMAX wants to position itself as one centralized AI workspace. The platform is targeting a pretty broad audience. We're talking about content creators, YouTubers, affiliate marketers, freelancers, digital marketers, agency owners, e-commerce sellers, copywriters, entrepreneurs, and basically anyone who uses AI to create content or run an online business. The website also claims that no technical skills are required. So theoretically, if you know how to type a prompt, you should be able to use the platform. And that's one of the biggest selling points. Before we go through the features, there's something important I want to clarify. The website makes some very strong claims. For example, it describes GrokMAX as providing direct access to Grok models, unlimited usage, lifetime access, future upgrades and even access to capabilities that it compares with much more expensive XAI subscriptions. Those are claims made by the sales page. That does not automatically mean every claim has been independently verified. And this distinction is extremely important. Because when you see a product claiming unlimited, lifetime, all future upgrades, $300 per month technology for a one-time payment, you should always look at the actual product, the terms, the checkout information and what you're really getting. So throughout this review, I'll separate what the platform claims from what you should independently verify before purchasing. Let's imagine you're a YouTube creator. You have a new AI product to review. Here's how you could potentially use a platform like GrokMAX. First, you ask the AI to research the product. Second, you ask it to identify the most important features. Third, you ask it to create a video structure. Fourth, you generate the full script. Fifth, you create social media posts from the same script. Sixth, you generate thumbnail concepts. Seventh, you create short-form content ideas. And finally, you can use the generated content as a starting point for your final production. That's where an all-in-one AI platform can become interesting. The real value isn't necessarily one individual feature. It's the workflow. Pros. So let's quickly go through the potential advantages. Pro number 1, all-in-one workflow. Having multiple AI capabilities under one dashboard can be convenient. Pro number 2, content creation. There are a huge number of potential use cases for writers, marketers and creators. Pro number 3, real-time information. Grok's connection to current information is one of its most interesting characteristics. Pro number 4. Multimodal capabilities. Text, images, documents, voice and video create a much broader workflow. Pro number 5. One-time offer. If the advertised lifetime pricing and access terms are accurate, the lack of a recurring subscription could be attractive. Cons. Now let's talk about the other side. Because no honest review should only talk about the positives. Con number 1. Verify the access. The website makes extremely broad claims about direct access to Grok models. Before purchasing, make sure you understand exactly what you're buying. Con number 2. Unlimited, needs context. Unlimited can mean different things depending on the platform. There could be fair use restrictions, technical limits or third-party restrictions. Always check the current terms. Con number 3. Future upgrades. The sales page claims future Grok releases will be included. That's a very strong promise. I would not treat future model access as guaranteed unless it is clearly covered by the purchase terms. Con number 4. Eye accuracy. Even advanced AI can make mistakes. Don't blindly publish AI-generated facts, financial information, news or business claims. Con number 5. Third-party platform risk. This is probably the biggest thing I would investigate before paying. GrokMAX is not the official Grok website. So you should carefully understand who operates the platform, what you're actually receiving, how your account and data are handled, and what happens if the underlying service changes. That doesn't automatically mean the product is bad. It simply means you should do your due diligence. So here's my honest conclusion. If you're looking at GrokMAX because you want a centralized AI workflow for content creation, research, marketing, images, video and voice, there is definitely an interesting proposition here. The feature list is ambitious. The potential workflow is powerful. And the one-time pricing model is obviously attractive compared with paying multiple recurring subscriptions. But I would not buy it simply because the sales page says it gives you $300 per month technology for $17. That's marketing language. Instead, look at what you're actually receiving. Check the checkout terms. Check the refund policy. Check the commercial license. Check exactly which models are available. Check usage limitations. And most importantly, verify whether the access being offered is officially authorized and how it works. That's the difference between making an informed purchase and buying purely because of hype. Final verdict. So, would I recommend GrokMAX 4.5? My answer is potentially, but verify before you buy. For content creators, marketers, freelancers and entrepreneurs, the concept of having multiple AI capabilities inside one dashboard is genuinely useful. The real-time intelligence angle is also compelling. The image, video and voice features make the platform even more interesting. But because the sales page makes some very aggressive claims about unlimited access, lifetime access, future upgrades and direct Grok model access, I would personally treat those as claims to verify, rather than facts to automatically assume. If you verify the access, licensing and terms and everything checks out, then it could be an interesting tool for your AI workflow. If those details aren't clear, I would be cautious. And that's ultimately what I want this channel to do, not just repeat the sales page, but help you understand what you're actually getting. And if you want to check out GrokMAX 4.5 yourself, I've put the link in the description. Just remember, check the current pricing, terms, access details and refund policy before purchasing. If you found this review useful, hit that like button because it really helps the channel. Subscribe to Pranay AI Reviews for more honest reviews of the latest AI tools, software and online platforms. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next review. Thanks for watching. I'm Pranay, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay smart, and keep testing AI.